Welcome to IOQM. This is the part 3 of the video. So we will try to solve the problems from 14 to 21. So these are all 3 marks questions. Just remember. Okay. The first one is the product 55 into 60 into 65 is written as the product of 5 distinct positive integers. Okay. What is the least possible value of the largest of these integers? Okay. 5 distinct positive integers it should be written. Okay. So just remember that. Okay. So first thing, factorize it. So this is what you will get: 5 into 11 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 13 into 5. Okay, there are 3 5s and 2 2s actually. Remaining all are unique. So if you distribute, try to distribute them to the least values. This is one value you will get, but 10 and 10 repetition actually, they are not distinct. 5 distinct integers is what they asked actually. So it's not the one. So you adjust, try to adjust these two 5, you will get into 11 into 15 into 20 into 13 into 5. Okay. So which means 20 is the maximum value and this is the least possible maximum value. I think this is easy. Next. 3 couples sit in a photograph at 2 rows of 3 people each, such that no couple is sitting in the same row next to each other or in the same column, one behind the other. How many arrangements are possible? Okay, let me explain the problem here. These are the 6 seats, and 3 couples going to sit here, and the wife and husband should not sit either next to each other or front and back. Okay, so how many such possibles are there? So let's take options. First is, let's say wife 1 is sitting, she has 6 choices, right? She can sit anywhere. Then the husband can sit only in 3 places, any of the 3 places, right? So let's take one of them, that is here, husband 1, let's assume that is sitting here. Let's also see the other 2. What are the choices? If he's sitting here, then the second couple has 4 choices. Can sit any of the 4 places, right? Yes. If you sit any of the 4 places, if you sit here, you have only 2 choices, 1 or 2. The 2, you cannot sit here because this will become third couple. It's not possible. So if wife 2 is sitting here, husband 2 has to sit here. Okay. So for wife 2 has uh, 2 choices, but okay. So there is actually only one choice. It cannot sit here. Only here you can sit, right? And the remaining seats, couple can sit anywhere. Like husband can sit here or wife can sit here. So that way 2 choices are there. So total choices are 6 into 4 into 2 into 48. Okay, that is 48 basically. Okay. Now let's take first option here again, and this is 6 choices. Wife can sit, and let's assume that husband is sitting here. Okay. So what are the options here? Any 4 places second couple can sit. Okay. So second couple, if wife is sitting here, husband can sit only here, right? That is the only option. One choice left. Okay. Only one choice left, and the couple can sit any of the 2. And let's say wife is sitting here, then only option is these 2 choices. Not even these 2. This is the only choice actually. If wife is sitting here, then only choice is this one. Okay, if wife is sitting here, only choice is this one. So all the way it is always one choice only for the second couple. Okay, 4 into 1 only the option. This is also again 6 into 4 into 2, which is 48. Now let's see the third option. Wife is sitting here and husband sits here. Suppose 6 choices into 1. This is, and second couple first of the second couple will have 4 choices. But problem is, let's check if wife 2 is sitting here, husband can sit any of these two places only, right? So if you sit here, other two are continuous, other couple. So it's not possible. If you sit here, these two are continuous. Correct? It's not possible. Let's say wife two is sitting here, and husbands two can sit only here or here, but wherever he sits, the other two are continuous. So in all the ways, this option is not possible. Okay, so only two options are there. That is 48 plus 48, which are total arrangement, possible arrangements of 96. Okay, this is easy. Just try to draw the diagram like this and then put the options. Most of the options are actually not possible, right? So it's very easy to calculate that way. Easy. Okay. The sides x and y of scalene triangle satisfy x plus 2a by x equal to y plus 2a by y, where a is the area of the triangle. If x equal to 60 and y equal to 63, what is the length of the largest side of the triangle? Okay, it's a scalene triangle, it's given. But we don't know. We need to now try to see the given equation, what the triangle is going to become. This is the equation, right? So subtract both of them, I get x minus y equal to 2a by y minus 2a by x. That is 2a into x minus y by x by y. That implies x minus y is cancelled on both sides. So xy by 2 equal to a. This means the triangle is a right angle triangle. Correct? Only then area will be half into two sides. Okay? So you apply Pythagoras theorem to find the third side, and third side is 87. So 87 is the largest side. That's the answer. It's easy. Next. Many two-digit numbers have exactly four positive factors. Here 1 and the number n are also considered as factors of n. Okay? So if you consider 1 and the same number as factors, then we are left with only two other factors, right? So the two-digit number should be either product of two primes or the cube of a prime. Okay, why we have to take prime? If it is not a prime, then you can still further factorize it. Okay, so let's take option one. Two-digit number is a cube of prime. Let's assume. So it's very easy. Only three is possible because three cube is 27. Two cube is 8, and the next prime is basically 5 cube. 5 cube is more than 90. I mean more than 100, 125, right? 4 cube is 64, but 4 cube is basically is equivalent to 2 power 6. So that is it's a product of 6 numbers, not 3. Okay, so only one solution set is possible with option 1. Now let's go to option 2. Sorry, this is option 2. Two-digit number equal to product of two primes. So in this case, you write all the primes below 50. Why we need to take 50? Because 50 into 2 we know it is 100. So already a three-digit number. Okay. So these are the primes. So out of that, you don't require all also. Okay. Product with 2 equal to 13 solution set basically. Remaining all product with 3, 9 solution set. That means with the 2, you can have up to, yeah, 47. All 13 are possible. Okay. With product 3, you can have up to 31. Okay, that means it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. That's it. Okay. With product with 5 is 5 solution sets. Okay. 5 will have up to 20, right? Less than 20. Okay, so up to 19. Okay. And product with 7, you will have two solution sets until 13. Because 7 into 17 is already more than 100. Okay. So total solution sets are 1 plus 13 plus 9 plus 5 plus 2, which is equal to 30. It's just more of analysis. Okay. But it's a easy problem. It's more of analysis. You need to be very good with number theory. That's it. Next. Okay. It's given sigma k equal to 1 to 40. square root of 1 plus 1 by k square plus 1 by k plus 1 whole square equal to a plus b by c, and all ABC belongs to natural numbers, then what is the value of a plus b? Okay. So for all such problems previously also we solved, we need to first simplify the sigma, whatever is the given value. Basically here in this case square root of 1 plus 1 by k square plus 1 by k plus 1 whole square. We need to simplify this first. Okay, only then you will get the answer easily. Okay, so let's simplify this. This is equal to, you take LCM and this is the value and you expand it. Okay, after expansion it is very simple. This is nothing but k square plus k plus 1 whole square. Okay, so square root of this one is k square plus k plus 1 by k plus 1. The squares will go off. Correct. So this can be rewritten as k into k plus 1 plus 1. K square plus k is written as k into k plus 1 here. So this will become 1 plus 1 by k plus 1, k into k plus 1, which is equal to 1 by 1, 1 plus 1 by k minus 1 by k plus 1. So now it is very, very simple. Okay. So this is nothing but our final answer is sigma k equal to 1 to 40 of 1, sigma 1 and k equal to 1 to 40. So this is a constant which is 40. Okay. And then sigma k equal to 1 to 40 of 1 minus 1 by k minus 1 by k plus 1. Okay, so this is 40. First one is 40, and then second one is 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 up to minus 1 by 41. If you see this series here, everything gets cancelled except first and last. Okay, so this is equal to 40 plus 1 minus 1 by 41. This is in the form of 40 plus 40 by 41. Okay, so a comma b are 40 and 40, right? So a plus b is 80. Okay, always make sure that you are not solving the problem for given ABCs. There may be a question like what is the value of a plus b or a to the power of b or a minus b, something like that. Okay, so make sure that after solving everything that you don't go wrong. Okay, this is moderate. It involves some sigma and series, so I would say moderate. ABCD is a parallelogram. E and F are midpoints of AB and BC respectively. The lines EC and FD intersect in P and form four triangles APB, BPC, CPD and DPA. If area of parallelogram is 100 square units, what is the maximum area in square units of triangles among these four triangles? Okay, let's put it in a diagram. This requires a huge explanation. Let's assume that AD is 2x, parallelogram side is 2x, okay, and height is r. Okay, now F is the midpoint of BC and E is the midpoint of AB. Okay, the lines are meeting at P. Okay, so I am assuming this height is H1, this is H2. Okay, the remaining H1 for this triangle, H2 for this triangle. H1 plus H2 is equal to R. Okay, so now I put some values here, areas of each triangle. Let's see how they are like that basically. If you take uh, BPC, okay, PE is the median basically because F is the midpoint. So obviously it will bisect this BPC triangle into two equal areas, that is B and B. Same case here, BPA, PE is the median, E is the midpoint of BA. So it will bisect this triangle into two equal areas, so A and A. This one we assume D, this is C. So here what we are comparing is BPA, that is 2A, 2B, C and D. Out of this, which one is the maximum? That is what we are comparing. Okay. So let us represent this symbol for area. Okay. Now area of ABCD equal to 2A plus 2B plus C plus D, which is equal to 2x into R, which is equal to 100. Okay. Now FDC is B plus C, correct, which is 100 by 4. Why? Because it has same height as parallelogram, and FC, that base is 1/2. So already triangle area is half into base into height. So base is already half. So you will get 1/4 of the parallelogram area. That is 25. B plus C is. Okay. FD is same height as parallelogram. That's fine. Half its base length. Now EBC. EBC. Okay. This is also basically same way. It is 25. Half of the base of parallelogram and height is same basically. Okay. So BPC equal to now BPC equal to 2x into h1 by 2. Correct. Base is same. BC is same as AD. So 2x into height is h1 by 2. Half into height into base. So this is nothing but x h1 which is equal to 2b. APD, that is area of APD is 2x into h2 by 2 which is equal to x h2 which is equal to d. Okay. Now x into h1 plus h2, sum of these two basically. Okay. X into h1 plus h2 equal to 2b plus d, which is x into r basically. Correct. H1 plus h2 is r, x into r. Okay, which is half of parallelogram area. Parallelogram area is 2x into r. This is xr, 50. So 2b plus d is 50. Now we derived enough equations to solve ABCD. Okay. So let's put these four equations first. 2a plus 2b plus c plus d equal to 100. B plus c is 25. A plus 2b is 25. 2b plus d equal to 50. Now from E1 and 4, E1 and E4, we can derive, you replace basically 2b plus d, 50 here, 2b plus d. So 2a plus c is 50. Okay. From E2 and E3, okay, E2 and E3, okay, you basically multiply this with 2 and subtract. Then what you will get is 2c minus a equal to 25 you will get. Okay. So from above two equations, we can derive phi c equal to 100 or c equal to 20. Okay. You basically multiply second this equation with 2 and then subtract, add basically. So a's gets cancelled and phi c will be remaining this side 100. So c equal to 20. So if c equal to 20, you substitute in other equations, you will get b. Okay. From here, you will get b value. B is 5. Okay. And if c is 20, from here you can get a, which is 15. So from this equation, you will get d. Or this equation, you can get d equal to 40. So now the required areas are APB equal to 30. Okay. Then BPC is 10. CPD is 20. DPA is 40. So 40 is the maximum. So DPA, that is maximum area and square root units, is 40 square units. Yeah, this is a medium question. Next, group of women working together at the same rate can build a wall in 45 hours. Okay, that means these women, if they work together, starting to end, okay, 45 hours. When the work started, all the women did not work together. They joined the work over a period of time, one by one at equal intervals. One set work. Each one stayed till the work is completed. If the first woman worked 5 times as many hours as the last woman, for how many hours did the first woman work? Okay, so this is the arithmetic series problem actually. Why? Because the woman, how they started work, first woman came at T0 and second woman came at T1, third woman at T2, fourth woman at T4, like that, basically up to Tn. Okay, the difference is always same, which means they are in arithmetic progression. Their total time of work is in arithmetic progression. Difference is negative. D is negative. Okay. So total let there be n women, then total work done by n women is 45n, because if they work together, they will build in 45 hours. If there are n women, that means they take 45n hours. Okay. Now let the first woman work for a total of t hours. Okay, last woman has worked only T by 5 because it's given that first woman has worked 5 times as many hours as last woman. Okay. Now, sum of hours of all women work is arithmetic series, right? Sum of arithmetic series. So, n by 2 into sum of first woman work plus sum of last woman work. T plus T by 5, which is equal to 45n. Okay. Now, you simplify this, what you get is uh, T plus T by 5 equal to 90. So that is T equal to 75 hours is what you will get. So T is nothing but first woman work, right? So how many hours first woman has worked? 45, 75 hours. Okay. Yeah, this is easy. The problem looks lengthy, but if you think carefully, this is very easy arithmetic series problem. Okay. Next. A total fixed amount of n,000 rupees is given to three persons, ABC, every year, each being given an amount proportional to her age. In the first year, A got half of the total amount. When the sixth payment was made, A got 6/7 of amount that she had in the first year. B got 1,000 less than that she had in the first year. C got twice that she had in the first year. Find N. Okay. So note that money is given in proportional to their age. Okay. So let's divide ABC is the age respectively at the beginning of the uh, money distribution. Since A received half of total money, and okay, that means A equal to B plus C. Means A age is equal to B plus C. That's why A got half of the amount. Okay, so this is one equation. Then sixth year, A received 6/7 of the first payment, that is n by 2. First payment is n by 2, right? A got n by 2 in the first year, so it is 6/7 of first year at the sixth year. So A plus 5 equal to, because they started with 0, right? A plus 5 by ABC plus 15, because each one has grown 15, right? Into n is equal to 6/7 of n by 2. Okay, this is the ratio, right? You understand this clearly? A after 6 years is A plus 5, and ABC after 6 years is A plus B plus C plus 15. Each one has grown plus 5. Okay, into n equal to 6/7 into n by 2, which means A plus 5 by 2A into 15, 2A plus 15. How this has come? We know that A equal to B plus C. So B plus C I replaced with A. So 2A plus 15 equal to 3/7. N is got cancelled. So if you simplify this, you will get A equal to 10. Okay. Now C received twice the amount it received in the first year. Okay. So A equal to 10 we know. A equal to A plus B we know. And A plus B plus C equal to 20. This also we know because A equal to BC, B plus C. So from this we can derive C plus 5 into n by A plus B plus C plus 15 same way equal to 2 times what she got at the first year. First year she got is C into n by A plus B plus C. Okay. Now A plus B plus C is 20. So you replace, what you will get is C equal to 2. You will get it. Okay. C age is 2 at the beginning. Okay. Similarly, from this equation we can derive B as 8. A plus A equal to B plus C. So we can derive that. Sixth payment, we received 1K less than first payment. Okay, so this is required to solve n. Okay. B plus 5 into n by A plus B plus C plus 15 equal to Bn by A plus B plus C minus 1. Okay, 1000 less, so 1K less. Total is nk, n,000 rupees. Okay, not n rupees. So here it is 1K. Okay, be careful about it. This will decide your unit basically. You can put 1000 also and solve the problem, but the units will be different in that case. Okay, so this implies if you simplify it, you have all the values of ABC. So you substitute them, you will get 13n by 35 equal to 8n by 20 minus 1. So you solve it, this is what you get basically. N equal to 35. Okay, that means n equal to 35,000 rupees. 35,000. Okay. is the answer. This is moderate. Okay. So that's all the problems for up to second level of IOQM. Most of the problems are a little bit thinking is some level of thinking is required and very good understanding of number theory. Uh, this is what my observation, but with practice we can easily solve these problems. Okay. So we'll continue this IOQM 2021 with more videos, two more videos at least, to solve the rest of the problems. Thank you.